My name is Lima Dickens, and I'm here to see, I just want to talk about Gene Skaggs, the most brilliant quantum touch healer in this world, I have to say, because I started with him 2 weeks ago, and I was in a lot of pain. I have a hiatal hernia, and that means that my diaphragm has a hole, and my stomach has gone through it, and it's somewhere near my heart. And I didn't want surgery. I really didn't believe in that, so I called Gene, and Gene says, yes, come here, come over. So he's helped me other times before, big time, so, and he's helped my daughter. So I can't say enough praise about what Gene does, but I wanted to just give you an upgrade, just to let you know, from 2 weeks ago to how I'm feeling today is like I'm a different person. I used to be in pain all the time, and the heartburn would be so horrible that it would start from my throat, and it not only would go down into the middle of my chest like this, but in the back and my neck, I would have shooting pains, and it's all the nerves that are connected to the stomach. And I didn't realize that I only have one kidney, so I only have one adrenal gland. So what that meant is that I'm very emotional, and my emotions were really, really, really getting in the way of any kind of healing, and if I heal, it flares up again. So what's happened, I'm so proud of myself. No pain for the last 2 days. That means that I can go to bed now, and I could lay on my right side, I could lay on my left side, and I haven't been able to do that for years. I'm talking about maybe 10 years more, because it would be the heartburn, and I would have to get up, and I'd have to take some medicine, and I just hated this kind of a life. And then for my dry mouth, I've been noticing it's getting better. Every morning when I used to wake up, it was all full and coated of yesterday's food. I would think, I brushed my teeth. What is this? So it was really penetrating through the membranes and going into my mouth area. So it was hurting my teeth. And it was just so damaging, because the hole that I have, the doctors would say it's right behind your heart. So that was a serious thing that I've been living with. So thank you, Gene. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't wait to talk to you again next week and the following week, because we're going to make sure that I don't have to have the surgery. And Gene, you have turned the battleship around, and I love you. Thank you.